Hey, did you see what Jordan did, folks? Not Michael, the nation, the country. So ISIS burns to death one of Jordan's pilots. So Jordan went to their prison, and they grabbed a couple of al-Qaeda prisoners, and they hanged them. And by the way, that's the right word. It's not correct to say they hung them. That's how you describe somebody's physiology. But you don't say somebody was hung unless you want to talk about the way they look. Really, it hanged is correct. I'm just telling you. If you say that Jordan went in there and hung them, that's not correct. You can look it up. So Jordan hanged a couple of al-Qaeda prisoners that they had in their prison. Now, if I wonder if Obama's worried that's just going to make ISIS madder. It is going to make ISIS even angrier. You know, when we don't even hang our prisoners. We just waterboard them. Obama and the liberals run around worried about whether or not we're helping to recruit for ISIS. Anyway, it's amazing. Yesterday, folks, it was vaccines all over the place and how the Republicans hated kids. And not hated, didn't care about kids. The Republicans were opposed to vaccines. That's gone now. Not here, though, because we're going to refute it. We're going to go back. We got a Washington Post story where they talked in the Washington Post about how it was a bunch of liberals who were opposed to mass vaccinations. But isn't it amazing to watch? So yesterday it was all vaccines all the time. Today that's gone. The drive-bys are onto something else. And they're up to ISIS now. And now ISIS is the number one news story of the day. ISIS this, ISIS that. Everywhere you look, ISIS.